Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematics for All. Today's lesson will be a fourth video on indices in the playlist Mathematics Challenges, and today I'll try to accommodate 3 to 4 problems as usual in this lesson. And the first problem, here we go. It is y by z to the power a into z by x to the power b into x by y to the power c is equal to 1. So prove that y by z 1 by b minus c is equal to z by x 1 by c minus a is equal to x by y 1 by a minus b. This is what we are supposed to prove. Okay, this is proof that. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. I'll take p equal to y by z, q equal to z by x, and r equal to x by y. If I multiply these three, what do I get? One, right? Okay, so this is PQR equal to 1. Fine. Now so I can write, therefore R can be written as 1 by PQ. Okay, also p to the power of a into q to the power of b into r to the power of c is equal to 1. I put this value here. What do I get? P to the power of a into q to the power of b into 1 by, isn't it, 1. So this gives me p to the power of a into q to the power of b into 1 by p to the power of c into q to the power of c is 1. This gives us p to the power of a minus c into q to the power of b minus c equal to 1. This gives us p to the power of a minus c is equal to 1 by q b minus c. This gives us p to the power of a minus c is equal to q to the power of minus b minus c is equal to q to the power of c minus b, which implies p to the power of 1 by c minus b is equal to q to the power of 1 by a minus c, right? Oh, it is c minus a. So let me, one second. I'll keep this intact and I'll bring 1 by p to the power of ac. Okay. Just from here, just cancel this. So here I'll keep this b minus c. Okay, so q to the power of b minus c should give me p to the power of minus a minus c. This will give you q to the power of b minus c is equal to p to the power of c minus a. So this gives us p to the power q to the power of 1 by c minus a is equal to p to the power of 1 by b minus c. This is the first one. So what is q? I have taken q z by x to the power of 1 by c minus a is equal to, I have taken p as y by z to the power of 1 by b minus c. Fine, right? Clear है यहाँ तक? Is it clear to everyone till here? Now I have taken r is equal to 1 by q here. Similarly, you can take q is equal to 1 by pr. Similarly, q is equal to 1 by pr. This implies p to the power of a, and q I can write 1 by pr to the power of b into r to the power of c is equal to 1. This implies p, this is p to the power of b, so I can write, this is a, so this is I can write p to the power of a divided by p to the power of b, a minus b, and here I can write r to the power of c minus b is equal to 1. So therefore it is p to the power of a minus b is equal to r to the power of minus b, now minus c minus b, or this implies p to the power of a minus b is equal to r to the power of b minus c. This implies p to the power of 1 by b minus c is equal to r to the power of 1 by a minus b. And then what is p? P is y by z to the power of 1 by b minus c. And what is r? X by y to the power of 1 by a minus b. So I have this as equation 2 as 1. So now y by z is equal to this and y by z is equal to this, so all three are equal. So therefore I can write y by z to the power of 1 by b minus c is equal to z by x to the power of 1 by c minus a, x by y to the power of 1 by a minus b. That's the proof. Okay, a bit lengthy one but doable. Copy down. Take a pause, go through the solution because the problem is a bigger one. Have all of you copied? Is the problem clear? You have a little more computation in these type of problems, and that's why these are not very regular problems that you will come across in your school and board exams. These are only if you want to test your problem solving skill sets. You can go through the practice such problems, go through my videos, you can copy it down and then again go through the solution and try to redo the problem without seeing it. Then only the learning will take place. Otherwise just seeing the video and copying on your paper exercise book is not going to suffice. Definitely not. Okay, chalo, no more gyan. Now coming back to the problems. Okay, now the second question. X is equal to cube root of 28 and y is equal to cube root of 27. Find the x plus y minus 1 by x square plus xy plus y square is equal to how much? So how to do? Obviously we are not going to put all these values and then going to compute, right? Now otherwise it will be a very tedious task. So we have to manipulate, do the computations, requisite computation. So we need the value that is x minus y is equal to x cube minus y cube. Remember this formula? Or possibly if we have not done in class 8, just for the time being दिमाग में रखो कि this is a formula for x cube minus y cube. Keep it that in mind. We will be doing such identities in the chapter called algebraic identities. Okay, but why am I doing this? Now you will understand as I go through the problem. So x plus y minus, so this is x minus y plus y square, isn't it? I can write it like this. So this will give you x plus y minus x minus y by x cube minus y cube. So what is this? X plus y minus x minus y. What is x cube? X is equal to 28 to the power of 1/3. So x cube will be 28 1/3 cube, or is equal to 28. Similarly y cube is equal to 27, isn't it? This boils down to x plus y minus x minus y by 1. To y, and what is y? Y is equal to 2 into cube root of 27. 9 3s are 27. 3 root 3. No, sorry. 2 into 3 will be 6. Okay, clear? Copy down fast. The next problem will also be an application of this formula. This is the formula for a cube minus b cube, and now we'll do for the a cube plus b cube. Okay, moving to the next. 3. X is equal to 3, then x 1/3 plus this minus 1 . So here you have to run a cube plus b cube. What is the formula? You will come across if you don't know. Abhi just keep it in mind. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula. Okay. So what do I have? X to the power of 1/3 plus x to the power of minus 1/3. Bracket open. X to the power of 1/3 whole square minus x to the power of 1/3 into x to the power of minus 1/3 plus x to the power of minus 1/3 whole square, bracket close. These two, x to the power of 1 3 minus 1 by 3 0, x to the power of 0 will be 1. So I can write 1 in the form of this product of x to the power 1 by 3 into x to the power of minus 1 by 3. This gives us the formula x to the power of 1 cube this gives us x to, this will get cancelled, x plus x to the power minus 1. This will give x is 3 plus 1 by 3, 10 by 3. That's it. Okay, basically just remember these two formulas, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and the next one is a cube minus b cube will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Just keep this in mind. We will do more such problems on the chapter algebraic identities. Okay, so that's for all in this lesson. With this we'll move to the probably the last video on the indices in the playlist math challenges for class 9. Bye. God bless us. Take care. Stay safe.